Okay, start.
Good afternoon to respected men, supervisors, teachers, and all my dear friends. And all my dear friends. And all my dear friends. Today, my name is Meshwa Prajapati. I am from 5th B. Today's my friends are Tanish Mudaliar, Kusan Rana, Harshit Jagad, Lavya Joshi, Varun Sagar, Krish Gupta. My topic is Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent and almost covered with ice. It is home to seals and penguins. It has the coldest land temperature recorded on the earth at minus 89.2 degrees Celsius. This was recorded on the ground level at Soviet Vostok Station in Antarctica in 1983. The South Pole is located in Antarctica and the North Pole is located in Arctic. The explorer Roald Amundsen was the first person to reach South Pole in 1911. 98% of the land is covered with ice, as about 87% of the world's ice. Thank you. Now I would like to call my friend Lavya to speak about area.
To respond, myself, Lavya from Philippines. Today I will explain about areas and countries of Australia. Antarctica. The total area of Antarctica is 40 million kilometers and land area is 13.7 million kilometers. I sit away 98% of the continent. Now I would like to call Arun for explaining about countries of Australia. Antarctica.
Okay, now I would like to explain countries and Antarctica. Antarctica is the not governed by any single country or governmental institute then signed by 54 countries in clubs registration Argentina, Australia, Brazil, China, France, Germany, India, Italy, New Zealand, Norway, Poland, Russia, Spain, Switzerland, United Kingdom and United States. Thank you. Now I would like to call Kushan to speak about Russia. Thank you, Varun. Please. The Aximundo Station, USA. Palmer Station, USA. Amundsen Scout South Pole Station, USA. Vostok Station, Russia. Concordia Station, France and Italy. Halidici Station, UK. Speranza Station, Argentina. Townsend Station, China. Scout Base, New Zealand. These are Ricci stations are segmented across the continents, with some located on the coast and other islands. Now I will like to call Mudalia Tanis to speak monuments of Antarctica.
Thank you, Kushan, for speaking Antarctica cities. Now I will speak monuments of Antarctica. Despite being a frozen continent with no permanent residents, Antarctica has several monuments and memorials that pay tribute to rich history, explorer and scientific research. Here are some notable monuments in Antarctica. Robert Falcon Scout Memorial, a brown statue located at McMurdo Station, honoring British explorer who preceded return journey from South Pole in 1912. Emerson South Pole Monument, a simple wooden pole and flag marking sport where Norgivan Roald Emerson became the first person to reach South Pole in 1911. Thank you. Now I would like to call Hasid Jagat to speak physical picture of Antarctica. Thank you. I would like to call Kushal Rana to speak Antarctica physical.
Thank you, moderator is my topic is physical feature of Antarctica. The Antarctica Plateau, a vast elevated region that covers most of East Antarctica, with an average elevation of over 3,000 meters. Second, the West Antarctica Plateau, a smallest plateau region in West Antarctica. Lake and river Lake Wisdom, a large glacial lake located beneath the East Antarctica ice sheet. Lake Milch, a subglacial lake located beneath the East Antarctica ice sheet. The Onyx River, a river flows through the Bright Valley in Antarctica. Other views at the South Pole, the southernmost point on Earth located in the Antarctica Plateau, Antarctica Circle, and imaginary lines that surround the continent boundary between the Antarctica region and the Southern Ocean. Now I would like to call Meshwa to speak Australia.
Thank you, Kushal, for calling me. Now I would like to speak the introduction of Australia. Australia is the smallest continent and the sixth largest country in the world by land area location. It is the only country that governs an entire continent, which is oldest, flattest and the lowest landforms on its surface. It has many notable landmarks including Great Diverging Range, a 3,700 kilometers mountain range run along the eastern coast of Australia. Uluru, a carved monolith increased red due to iron minerals on its surface. Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system located on the northeast coast of Australia. 900 islands, 3,000 reefs and more than 1,500 species of fish. Natural resources. Australia is rich in natural resources, but one-third of the country is desert. Thank you. Now I would like to call Navya to speak about the area of Australia.
Thank you, Meshma. Now I will explain about areas and countries of Australia. First, area. The total area of Australia is 76,92,024 kilometers. Land area is 76,86,850 kilometers. Total area 5,173 kilometers. Countries. Australia is a virgin country and it is not a part of any other country, but it has several external territories including Torres Island, Cook Island, Christmas Island, Australian Antarctic Territory, and Christmas Island, Lord Howe Island, Northcote Island, and North Island. Now I will like to call Tanis for explaining about cities of Australia.
Thank you, Lavya, for speaking area of Australia. Now I will speak about cities of Australia. Here are some major cities in Australia. Sydney Opera House in Australia. The iconic capital with the capital of Australia. Melbourne in Victoria. The culture and sporting capital of Australia. Brisbane in Queensland. The city of Queensland is known for its own sunny weather and outdoor lifestyles. Perth in Western Australia, the largest city in Western Australia, is known for its beauty and natural beaches and natural beauty. Adelaide in South Australia, the food and wine capital of Australia. Now I will continue the speech with monuments of Australia. Sydney Harbour Bridge. Sydney Harbour Bridge is a beautiful bridge, Sydney Harbour Bridge is a beautiful bridge. The Sydney Harbour Bridge is largest but no longest bridge in the world. If you are really good climber, you can climb Sydney Harbour Bridge. Now I will speak more about Australia. Sydney Opera House. Sydney Opera House is also known as New South Wales, one of the most recognized performing arts centre in Sydney, in Australia. It was built between 1959 and 1973. It was officially opened on 20 October 1973. It is a masterpiece, contemporary architect and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Melbourne Cricket Ground. Melbourne Cricket Stadium is largest stadium in the southern hemisphere, hence in Australia, with a current capacity of just over 1 lakh. It was built in 1853. The first match took place on 30 September 1854. It was owned by Government of Victoria and operated by Melbourne Cricket Club. Kangaroo Island. Kangaroo Island is also known as Karta Pintinga after the Tasmania and Melville. It lies state of South Australia, 112 kilometers southwest of Adelaide. Thank you. Now I would like to call Mishra to speak physical feature of Australia.
Thank you, Tanish. Now I would say about Australia of physical feature. The mount that stretches over 3,500 kilometers from Queensland to Victoria. The Blue Mountain, the mountain that is in New South, known for its steep cliffs, valleys and scenic views. Thank you. Now I would like to call Lavya to continue the speech.
Thank you, Meshwa. Now I will explain about the Flinders Ranges, a mountain range in South Australia known for its rugged terrain and scenic views. Now I will like to call Jana Merced for explaining about deserts of Australia.
Thank you, Lavya. Now I will start my speech. Victoria, the Great Victoria Desert, a large desert that covers over 348,000 750 kilometers square, and in Western Australia and South Australia. Thank you. Now I would like to call Lavia for thank you. Karun.
Thank you. Now I would like to continue my speech. The Great Sydney Desert is covered by 2,64,993 kilometers square in Western Australia. Thank you. Now I would like to call Mishra to end his speech.
Thank you, Varun. Now I would speak about the model speech. There are some countries in Antarctica, Ellsworth, Queen Mountain, Eastern Antarctica, Wilkes Land, West Antarctica, Victor Island. There are some countries in Australia: Darwin, Cairns, Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide, Perth, Canberra, Brisbane, Alice Springs. Thank you. Now I would end the speech with beautiful thought. Nothing is impossible. The word impossible says I am possible.